gotta accept the request.
It's a good night, baby. We up in the morning, we feel too wasted. Yeah, it's a normal day for me. We up in the party, we faded. She know I love my goals. She telling me you gon' be famous. Put our love on hold, baby girl, I know we can make it. Yeah, I pull up on you, we go for a drive, we go for a drive, Yeah, I be me a dog, we getting so high, we getting so high. I love the late night fish. We get together, you know it's a vibe. I know it can be a lot, but trust me, little mama, I'm speaking my mind.
I don't want to bother y'all. I got other shit to be doing. When you come to places,
I ain't gonna let some look at this shit.
hang out, we know about it. Right?
I'm being honest. That nigga police you kind of saggy though. His shit saggy as a bitch. He need to iron that.
Like he washed that bitch and just never put that bitch in the drive.
Go follow me on @IIAM_KAYAA. Do you have a charger?
Oh, go follow me. Myself.
Wait, what?
No, look
What was
at
that?
Look at
Myself.
the passenger.
Why you say I got mine on too. I just never took it. It's like weed.
Oh, you went skating?
He's smoking. Who's smoking?
His
brother. Oh.
Yeah, he's smoking that bullshit.
You smoke?
I be doing.
We could tell. For real?
Alright, don't tell him. Don't sit on me, gang. You know I was doing that to you in the skate ring?
Yeah. Don't follow me.
Oh, you got no choice.
Don't follow me.
Bro, you still trying to get free promos, gang. I'm straight.
Hey, somebody gag me up real quick. I gotta accept the request.
Damn, bro.
You don't hear a lot of it, but you still hear it. Because the sound deadening's not crazy. I mean, it's still a convertible, you know. Yeah. But what's up? Like a normal.
Put that bitch out.
How much you owe on it? Probably like $6 Pay it off, keep it.
Pay it off, yeah.
Just pay it off, keep it.
Hello?
Make it your daily, you know, and then.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, it's good.
That's just pay off your licks and keep it.
Yeah. Oh, well, that's what I'm planning on doing. But how much you put down on your shit?
Because I wanted to, 35 man.
See, that ain't bad. I could.
That's the most I've ever put down on a car.
So yeah, wait, how much the car cost in total?
It was 40 after tax.
No, this total 36. Because I negotiated.
I got used prices. It's better to buy new.
Used, it's better to buy new.
Because they
better to buy
fuck you
brand
up
new.
with the APR, bro.
Yeah, I had a little bit.
The used price crazy.
Because it's more unreliable, even though they're calling it 4,000 miles.
I know.
That's just their games that they play. But I wanted a black one. They had a gray one, but they had the black one in the used lot. I like it. Yeah. Is it certified? Blah, blah, blah. Any issues? Nope. Give me that. I don't care. I'll pay a little bit more. That's what I want. I want it.
You know what's crazy? Some dealerships are giving out the TCR versions.
Because they don't have the regulars?
Yeah, and they're like, you'll get pre-qualified. I got an email, pre-qualified, 5% APR.
I'm at 9 on it.
9?
Yeah, it's not terrible.
I got mine's I think 11.
Yeah.
11, 12. But it's pre-used though, so it's like
Yeah.
Getting paid, still a regular thing, yo. Bust a head stains, yeah. He need rehab for the drink. I ain't talking no AJ.
So I got bypass valve. I got a pull intake on it. I got a little tune on it. It's not too crazy. Because again, anytime.
it's like GZ3 on rest. I got the wings out.
The all black with like the blue. That shit is
no. The satin black. This is satin black. I know it's different from matte black.
Yeah.
I want to do this wrap in my end, honestly.
You can't put this in like the car wash. You gotta like hand wash this shit.
I hand wash.
So that's where it goes. If you Google Ford Muscle and type in that, it'll probably take you.
White?
Yeah, you gotta keep watching.
I just got it.
I think if I put that
Like that. this big on me. That's big.
Yeah.
Damn. I fuck with this bitch.
When it said, dude.
Oh God. That's the. That bit hard. That bitch some hard though.
That he gave me. Wait, let me look it up again.
Taking booty?
Oh, you his cameraman, Mike.
She said he recording all the PO videos.
Yeah.
All the skit today, man.
Let's go see who's behind the camera.
I don't know that. He could do what he want. No. What type of skit should he? I don't know. Son, do it for yesterday, son.
What? Bro, what conversations do y'all be having?
Let me talk to you real fast, man.
I remember when I first got introduced
So,
to.
I'm not really trying to pick up business out the game.
Oh, shit.
So I'm not
Why he was quick with that camera?
regulated spreading.
He always be quick with
That
that.
nigga ass taking turns.
Alright.
No.
Alright, just kind
You ain't
of.
fucking with it no more? You want me to say it out loud?
No, bro.
You sure?
I'm just do this.
You sure you want me to say that bitch out loud?
He's not that tall.
You ain't the same height as nobody.
He is not. Mind you, we the same height.
Bro, I'm
Deborah,
like
you're
up
not
there,
even the
gang.
same height as me.
You gotta look up to me, bro. Chill. It's cool though.
I could look to the side and I could. You know what? I'm gonna let you have it. I'm gonna let you have it.
But don't look at me and say it. Nigga said, nigga called himself a bitch ass nigga.
Target.
Shit, yeah.
Oh my gosh, yes. We can hide in the toilet paper.
Let's just break everything in that.
No, I don't fuck with toilet paper.
What?
You one of the niggas who shit in her right in the shower.
No, I had got some from Dollar Tree the other day, and that
It
shit
dissolved in your
my ass.
Son, that nigga basically cut your.
I know. That's what I just said.
Damn.
And it fell out, you piece of shit.
You piece of mother.
Damn, it's gone.
You gotta know this. You getting that.
Ah, a camera. A job.
It's cool though, son.
No, it's not
Give me
cool.
that.
Yours still in. Take yours out and throw it. And then
I
we gonna
can't.
even.
I
Why
got
you
this
can't?
bit.
Oh.
I just showed you all my nose. That was low-key disgusting. You gonna talk about me and my baggy ass pants?
Just is big though.
Didn't even say right in your own brother.
Look how big them bitches.
Bro, I don't give a f. Hey, I do this shit for a living, gang. I'm telling you, gang. I wear big ass clothes that I could barely fit.
We could tell.
Nigga, I wear 30. I probably wear 27.
Hey, nigga, I eat you. Hey, say, little brother. Get down, let me eat yours. Fuck. Okay.
What's that, brother?
Yeah.
You hot boy AJ?
Why you so close?
Yo, ass, how is your name?
Do push-ups.
Push-ups?
Yeah.
Huh?
I got push-ups, bro.
Alright. How many? Your form ass is
No, I don't want to do them no more, man.
A present?
go.
She know how to drive that bitch though?
She got up to 140.
Your arm's supposed to go inward. What the f?
Please do not go too fast, bro.
And then let go of shit.
Now let go.
I would have said so. Who, me? I'm talking about he's that's mine.
What's YouTube?
Hot boy AJ.
Shout out Hot Boy AJ. Oh, you Hot Boy AJ.
Subscribe.
You gotta get the hat. You gotta get the Luigi hat. Like, don't nobody got this, bro. I paid $22 for this game. Like,
Bro,
real
when you
shit.
get the half.
Target. Wait, right at Target.
Come on, bro. What the fuck is that?
Then you done?
Bro, why the fuck, like, why do he have a basket just rolling in it, bro?
So we're not gonna look at how they nigga wanna flip over?
Exactly.
Maybe if you start doing more workouts, then maybe. But
How much do you weigh?
I weigh like 140.
Exactly. Deets.
I'm cool with being petite. That's why I can wear clothes like this. Period. Clock it.
Man, listen.
The fuck?
I'm a boss.
The fuck?
The fuck?
Nigga, mom mad this bitch.
Who you are for your pride. What is that?
Y'all hated the church?
Jigging battle?
No, I can't jig, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm ready. Wait.
I can't jig. Bust that bitch.
Ooh.
You know she going to that front part, fucking that shit up. How y'all do that? See, I could do that shit, but
Do it.
If you jig too hard, your pants
eat
will
it then.
fly off.
Eat it. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Don't stop. Oh shit! All right.
Oh, they're kicking us out.
I got this. I got trash.
You're the flyest homeless nigga I know. How about you give me this jacket?
the apartment?
Give me this
What if I told
jacket.
you I sold? Hey, watch out. What if I told you I sold ass? Hey, you a
It's just my wrist face. I do that shit when niggas lying.
Well, good thing I'm not a nigga and good thing I ain't lying. How you do? You get it off me now. Follow basically y'all go follow my Finsta too because I'm just a boss. Make your knees touch your elbows.
Actually 2 gauges, but yeah.
Spinning on pilot sport or 4S is kind of crazy. This is map 1 from a roll spinning on 4S is hot. Look like a Roblox character. Coke butter cheese.
ain't bad. Damn. Okay. All right. I'm finna steal somebody, man. Bro, like this.
No.
Oh.
Hold it. Put your hand on top. No.
No. Yes, bro. Like, come on, bro. I got you. So, all right. Walk. Bro, why?
Imagine going somewhere.
Don't turn around.
Imagine going somewhere. Imagine going somewhere.
waste all
I told you, look, I fucked up.
Bro, I wasted my money, gig.
See, look, when you do this, hold it like this, and you do that.
Cool.
If you want to go a little bit heavier, just use 2.
I'm coming back on that nigga. I only had 12 when I came here.
I got 27. I got 27. You know what? And like this be my fault. I wanna go adventure out and do new shit. Maybe bowling is not for me, gang.
We gonna go this way. Nope. We gonna go right here. Hey y'all, welcome. I ain't got my YouTube channel set up yet, but I'm saying hey to his channel. Hey y'all, come support me on mine. My shit is Life with Ken, LYFEWYTKEN. You know what's up? We in the
What are y'all doing? This is an Oompa Loompa wrestling match? Oompa Loompa, go for the pinball.
Look at these.
His pants in the way.
Is it recording? Mm-hmm. Is it recording? Alright, I got the suck ass cameraman. Suck ass cameraman. Suck ass cameraman.
No.
This nigga suck.
Shut up.
That's dweeb right here. Them been trying to get some cheese. I ain't gonna lie. It made. Hey, we got the LSU. The first thing he did. Is it easy for me to get in the dorms? Easy, man. That man go kiss something. Bro.
Yeah, I have to put the camera to my height, bro. I can't have it down here either. I'm too short.
You gotta do that.
I'm too short for this.
Hold on, look at this shit, guys. I'll put that. Matter of fact, hey, remind me. Hey,
oh my goodness.
Stop playing. I'm the camerawoman too for that.
Remind me. I'm gonna put all the skate videos that we recorded today in a thing, cause so I'm on my skate beat. What the? I'm on my JB journey, and I ain't gonna lie. I feel like though, in my opinion, I still got fundamentals to learn. But I feel like when I first start seeing a lot of other niggas first get their boo and start JBing, I feel like niggas ain't make as much progress as I did. I feel like I obviously I gotta get the fundamentals, but nigga, I feel like I look good as fuck. Like I don't know what happened, gang.
I ain't like you got the tricks.
I don't know how.
What's down? That's 7, yeah, bro. That's my shit.
That's his shit.
Let me stop playing. I wouldn't dab by a corvette.
Remind me of shit, them Hot Wheels classic.
Damn, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You're not the only person that do that with that fucking passenger seat, bro. That been laid all the way back. Nigga probably did. My shit be like, damn, I know somebody was giving that nigga head every time.
The boost I did used to be cracking in the passenger seat.
Oh,
lay that
in the
all
passenger seat, you dirty.
They be like a bed, huh?
Yo.
Fuck the backseat.
Man, I get some 10, I might start cracking in my shit.
No. That shit amazing.
I don't know how to zoom in.
You can't zoom in on that.
Boom. Oh, Tigers on some shit.
Huh?
Wait, school stadiums? Is that a stadium over there?
That's the
the baseball stadium, huh?
No, the baseball stadium not right there. I think it's on the other side.
What is that? That's the football stadium. What is that?
I can't even see what you're talking about.
There gotta be a baseball stadium right there, bro.
That way? Do I get paid for anything that I do?
Yeah.
Probably get paid for being here.
So with your autofocus, why you on spot focus?
No, they because
I like
when you
this.
touch the screen, it does.
Oh, the twins are here.
That's why I tell people not to touch the screen.
Wait, hold on. Oh, never mind. It's so shit. I'm the best camera woman out there, you know. Go follow me.
You just said you was complaining about how it was getting heavy.
Shut up, bro.
So you want to record or not?
Yeah.
If you don't want to, then you don't have to.
It's my job.
I ain't gonna lie, I like this Mustang. I think it's a VC.
But it's kind of hype, bro.
Oh, nigga, it's coming right there. Look. I gotta get my money up.
Where's your warranty? Oh, pick it back. Pick it back, bro. I'm not tuning my shit. Oh my God, it's Willie! Look, it's Willie!
How much you pay on that bit a month?
Oh, they go Will. You think it's exhaust off?
I can get
Look at you, a YouTuber.
Parents are good critical.
I found one for less than $40,000. For like mid 40s, low 50s.
No, that ain't bad. Though.
Ain't bad at all.
Yeah, it ain't bad at all.
I be thinking about doing this.
Bro, you look sweaty as hell.
Wait, your car is I got some other pants coming, but I don't think I'll be able to skate in them shits.
Some of them like they be tight as shit. Like that sound crazy. Like,
yeah, I'm finna start getting more of these so I can skate in, bro. It just be feeling good as hell skating in these. I think they only had black, gray.
And that was like the universal.
It was mostly just black and gray. I don't think they had gray. It was probably green. I ain't really look. I just wanted the black ones because I was like, it's just some go-to shit. I didn't want to get a crazy color. You try to hold in that?
What?
You try to hold in that? You sure, bro?
No, but I need to work out.
Was you?
I didn't know last time.
Looking homeless and shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm just playing that.
That operator money finna go so crazy.
You gonna edit that out, right?
Bro, come on. I ain't no How we doing it, bro?
This the rawest full submitted like.
Yes, bro, nigga, the way this car drives is insane. You been in it, nigga?
Huh?
You been in it?
Yeah.
Bro,
all the way to
for
the
a
border.
4-cylinder?
Weird game.
Bro, that shit, and I have a V6, and that what? This is dusted, and then he just got this bit to him, so it's crazy. Like, we went bowling yesterday, bro, and that shit was damn. Niggas anyway. No, brother. I'm done with it, man. I'm for 3 niggas. Go to the wheel, lock the wheel.
We making like 800 to the wheel. Fine. My nigga. I maybe touch 1,000 on it. I think it's so fast for this shit. Just need position, alright.
Bro, they look like they gonna shut that bitch down. Huh? That police look like he gonna shut that bitch down.
So bad. It looks like my 650 so bad. You want to? Catalyst, X-Pipe, stock mufflers. That shit overly loud. No, yeah, way louder. When I had dumps though, it was loud as shit.
I need some fine shit.
One rev is over.
What? I'm talking about what? Even if a V6 rev that shit, nigga, they fries, boy. Boy, they is that chicken, bro. That shit look like it'll make you throw a game. I don't know how you eat that shit. Boy. That shit tastes like taco seasoning. Man, I went to the toilet, I instantly started throwing it. I ain't gonna lie, I know one ain't gonna be out there. He got less and less cars, and then the other nigga, I thought he
made a couple meal.
I got my fine shoe. Whoa. Holy. I got my fine shoe. I ain't gonna lie, we might dip off here.
You said what?
I said we might dip off here.
Hold on, what?
I said we might dip off. Damn, nigga, you can't hear me like that, kid.
Shit, no.
Shit.
She don't play like that. I just want a damn baby.